Hi, this is Katherine Gage, also KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant, and tonight I have uh, a new tripod that I purchased off of Amazon Prime. As you all know, I love Amazon Prime. I pay a monthly subscription, and I just love how it comes to you in 2 days. This one here is a 60-inch lightweight tripod with tripod bag. It came in a big box like this. Big box like this, and then there's another box inside the box, and hopefully it will be easy to assemble. I'm going to get it open right quick and see what I can do with it. Okay, it comes inside this bag. It's a very nice bag, very nice carrying bag. So it comes inside this bag, and it has a little strap on the back where you can strap it to your back. And then it packaged real good, which is something I like. Packaged for protection. It looks really pretty sturdy for the 60 inches. I'm just getting this so I could, I needed a second tripod, so I don't see any instructions, so hopefully I can just do it. Okay. I know I can make it longer. Let's see if I can figure that out. Oh, you just oh, it makes it real easy. You just, if you want to make it longer, you just unclamp the legs. You just unclamp the legs, which is something that is real nice. That is awesome. It is. Let me see, how do I, oh, you unclamp them, but then you unclamp them, and then you'll have to lock it back in place. So once you unclamp it, you want to lock it back in place so it can stay steady. And this is, that's it standing up straight. But it looks pretty good. And you can screw your camera on here. Let me see where this at. I know that there's a way to screw it. Oh, okay. Your camera is going to be right there. You screw your camera right there, and then if you had a adapter, you can also use your telephone, and it tilts up and tilts back, which is going to be great. So that's it. This is Katherine. There's another feature that I forgot to show you all, but you can actually make the tripod go up, because it's a 60 feet tripod, and this is it full length, which would be really good for capturing, putting your camera on it and capturing things. So that's going to be really, really good. I'm going to test it right now and put my camera on it to see how that works. So give me a moment and I will be back. Now I've lowered it down to just where it can be eye length, and that's really good. It's really focused really good. I can really see myself in the camera. I'm not shooting from the camera, I'm just shooting from on my phone, but it is really great. I think this is a great camera. It was about $23, and I believe that this is really a good buy. So if you're looking for a great tripod, you can get this off of Amazon. I will go in and get that link and link the tripod so you all can find it because it's very reasonably priced. This is Katherine Gage, KG Beauty Within, Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant, signing off. Remember, God first, family second, career third. Put all three of those things in perspective. Everything do fall in place. And remember, when you're trying to build your business or you're trying to do your YouTube, you don't have to get everything at once. So you just start somewhere and just go from there, okay? Bye-bye.